So first, how was the experience sa Mundo Mo'y Akin? Tapos lalo na you're gearing towards the finale of the series.
The experience is awesome. Hindi, now kasi we feel separation anxiety. Kumbaga, nagsisipangs na kami dito. It's been a good run. We were supposed to end prior to, the extension. We were supposed to end, supposed to be late June, tapos naging July, tapos August. So, we're happy because in spite of the race amongst the ratings, we've maintained to be at par with the others. And came to a point na number one, tapos we're happy because umabot kami halos 7 months na supposed to be one season lang. We were happy and the camaraderie of each and everyone, most especially each and everyone's characters na tawag nito na ano na namin, kumbaga kinalakihan na namin sa show na to. We come to enjoy each and everyone kasi like, especially si Tita Jane, si Charito, na every scene that we do, there's never a dull moment. We laugh. As in, masaya. The whole experience, it's different, something different. From my previous soaps.
In this series ba, meron ka bang first time na nakasama for the project?
Si Lauren, first time. Actually, Tita Jane, sa guestings ko lang, well, nakasama ko si Sana, ikaw na nga, yung original. Pero it's like few scenes lang. But this one, the whole show, halos first time ko nakakatrabaho ng buong buo si Tita Jane, tapos even Direk Andoy. Usually si Direk Andoy, nakatrabaho ko na siya, pero siya yung parang or substitute sa
main director.
Oo. So ito yung buong show, first time ko siya nakatrabaho. Si Lauren was my very first video. Si Luis naman, even with Alden also. Alden first time ko din. Si Luis, nakatrabaho ko na siya sa Twin Hearts. Okay naman. And lahat, nakatrabaho ko na. Julina, Sunshine, Liso, Angelica. Halos lahat nakatrabaho.
Ano sabi mo kay Luis at Alden, yung based on your first impression tapos yung na-realize mo after while working sa
Si Alden, pansin ko, he'd come to be a mature actor na. Kumbaga, tapos na yung ano na siya eh. Si Luis, she's getting there. Siyempre, bata pa rin, pero mabuta na siya doon. I think now is the time, after this show, now is the time to do more projects where they can showcase their talent more. Kasi dito, siyempre, na-focus sa love story, tapos may family. Marami pa silang may papakita. And I'm sure they're gonna be prepared and gonna be ready for the next, kung ano man ang next project nila. Ano sila, lalo na yung love team nila, dami nilang followers eh. So, happy naman kami dahil kahit pa paano, showcase din yung love team nila dito. And, let's not forget also, Darlene, si Lauren nga, nakakatawa kasi yung other woman siya sa love team eh. Nakakatawa kasi karoon sila ng magandang chemistry silang tatlo.
Tapos yung naalala ko interview ko sa'yo nung tutorial, sabi mo yung mga anak mo sabi sa'yo na pwede bang next time hindi ka naman bad boy? Pero eto naman, in fairness naman
Yes,
sa role mo.
actually gray. Most of the characters here naman are gray. Tita Jane, akala nila kontrabida, pero hindi naman. It turned out to be one of the funniest here sa show. Si Darlene naman, lahat naman kasi may pinanguhugutan. Yun nga sinasabi namin, if you're a kontrabida doesn't necessarily mean na you're really bad or you're bad. Yung character mo ay masamang tao. May pinanggagalingan lahat. And so far, itong soap na to, wala kang makikita talaga na really dark. mostly gray talaga. Happy naman ako kasi first time, hindi naman first time, pero ito yung kahit may mga linya ako na patang katatakan ka na kontrabida talaga ako na nalilihis na hindi naman pala. So, first time na yung gray na alanganin na mabait ba si Ziggy or masama ba si Ziggy. But I guess it's in reality. Parang yun nga, being a father to Marilyn or being a father to Darlene. Iba siya eh.
May mga eksena kayo dito na ni Doña Charito na talagang nakakatawa. Pero yung
Lagi.
mga mukha nyo kailangan seryoso.
Lagi. Oh, actually, hinihintay lang namin mag-cut. Pag nag-cut, lahat kami tumatawa. Kahit staff, lahat kami tumatawa. Kasi Tita Jade is enjoying what she's doing.
Any favorite scene with Doña Charito?
Madami. Yung eksena na...
Hello?
Well, that hello. Tapos yung sumasayaw siya, yung hawak na yung pader. Tapos yung kagabi, kagabi yung stop, look, listen, tapos chu. Nakakatawa. Habang ginagawa namin, rehearsal pa lang. Wala na, nakakatawa talaga. Riot.
Paano mo mag-describe yung working environment dito sa mga
Magaang. Everyone's having fun. And matagal na namin na nagsasama, kilala na namin ang isa't isa. So kung pagdating sa rehearsal, kasi nung first few months ng show, talagang we try to, yung kakapaan, we try to parang what we call is maging yung mature sa lahat ng ginagawa namin, para serious lahat. Kasi tagisan ng actingan, ganun. Pero as we go along, as the show progress, kumbaga enjoy na yung talagang usually pag rehearsal pa lang serious lahat eh. Pero lately pag rehearsal pa lang nakakapagpatawa pa, gano'n. Nagkakapaan pa noon. Pero ngayon gamay na namin.
After MMA, may upcoming?
Yeah. Ang tawag doon ata, title nun, Nganga?
Hindi ba naging story ko?
Hindi, wala. Nganga. Ay, hindi. The good thing about me being here in GMA is, you know, hindi nila ako napapabayaan. That's why I'm very loyal, very happy that, you know, whatever is in store naman, whatever is next, whatever projects that's gonna be in line for me. I'll just have to be patient kung ano man. I'm always ready naman. Ready. Yun lang, it's so sad because yun nga, every after show. At first, excited ka, masaya ka. Siyempre at the end, you know, nakakalungkot kasi you come to get to know each and every one. Nakikilala mo sila. Nagiging textmates mo pa. Nakakalungkot kasi yun nga, this show is coming to an end. But like I said a while ago, they had a good run.
Ano po sir yung pinakamamimiss niyo dito sa soap niyo?
Yung chismisan. Chismisan. Actually, what we really miss the most, I'm sure everyone naman would also say the same. Julina. Miss namin si Julina. Kasi there was a time pag nasa Tagaytay kami yung location namin. Kaya sa restaurant kasi yung Memory Lane. There's is always parang yung nadala ng really awesome ribs. So, sarap ng pagkain. So, aside from that, actually, lahat. Thinking about it. Yun nga, sayang. Pero sabi nga nila, pa na yung extend na yung extension. So, sa sobrang dami na ng extension. Parang nasanay na kami. Baka mag-extend ulit.
Book ko naman.
Sana mag-extend ulit. Sure na ba? Kasi ganun din na nangyari. Like, we were supposed to end on July 26, parang 26 or 22. Tapos biglang extend ulit, 1 more month. So, you were like, happy kami ulit.
Nahibo mo lang ng possibility ng another extension.
Wala na tayo. No, but...
Procom ngayon.
Oo, Procom ngayon. By the looks of it kasi, syempre na, we give way to the upcoming shows na hihintay. due fairness, I'm sure ready na rin sila Lovey, sila Ding Dong, ready na rin. I guess yun nga, it's about time to what do you call this, to showcase another story. Pero naman ng GMA, fight lagi. Diba? We're happy.
What can we expect dun sa mga final days ng mundo na yan?
Marami. Like now, like since nandito tayo sa ospital,
Bakit ba
ano
nagkaganon?
ko eh. Sabihin ko ba? Hindi. Sabihin ko. Hindi, kasi diba, umano kami. For airing tonight kasi yung nalugi na yung resort, nalugi na yung mga business namin.
Bumalik ka ng mundo.
May pinanggalingan pala yun. Kagagawa ni Ziggy. Kumbaga, there's this scene na may pinaghiraman ako ng pera. So, this is the aftermath. Kumbaga, dito ako napunta. So, mas medyo dragging yung kasi lumalim dahil anong cost ng paglugi ng resort, tapos syempre si Perdita, yung mama. So, quick turn of events, parang switch ng status, kumbaga. Pero sasabi ko, I think ito yung stretch na mapufocus sa paano naghihirap ang mga kapatid. At paano naman yung mama nila Perdita.
Pero wala namang papangit ulit.
Wala na siguro. Kasi kung may pumangit man, haba pa to. Pero so far,
Bukto na yun.
ano kami? We're, should I say, hindi contented. Parang, syempre we want more. Pero okay na rin. Kumbaga, okay na rin. Yun nga, good run. Good run talaga.
Isang mataas
7
na ratings,
months.
mahabang run.
Oo. 7 months is no joke. Kasi, yun nga, ang daming nakaabang na rin na bago, di ba?
For your character, ano yung pinaka-challenging na eksenang ginawa mo?
There are only a few
Yeah.
highlights. No, but yung nalaman ko, hindi ko anak si Darlene. Nalaman ko retokada si Giselle. Tapos, itong gagawin namin. Well, actually tomorrow pa yun. Pero yung dito nga yung aftermath nung nangyari. Ito yung mga challenges. Kasi, bakit nalugi ang resort? Anong ginawa ko? So, yung twist, lalaman kung bakit. Tapos, yun, yung mga... Actually, the whole character of Ziggy is quite challenging for me kasi I play a father of, let's say, two kids, di ba? Si Lauren at si Luis. Na kasi bata pa ako yun ang feeling ko. Feeling ko lang. Pero syempre, di ba?
Batang ama ka pala.
Oo, so medyo challenging kasi nga teenager sila
Para
feeling ko,
magkuya lang.
pwede pa ako maging leading man nila feeling lang. Pero yun nga, ended up naging daddy nga nila ako. It's different kasi like si Tita Jane, Lola, di ba? Si Angelica naman, mommy din to supposed to be 18-year-old, di ba? Weird out lang yung feeling. Challenging in a way na ano bang maging daddy sa dalawang dalaga. Ganun. Okay naman.
Pero
I like challenge.
you've been, nagkaroon ka ng maraming father roles in the past, right? Or
Okay lang. Hindi masyado. Well,
Mas maraming
ting heredera.
heartthrob.
Hindi. Maraming kontrabida. Medyo, yun nga, something different nga Last father role na ginampanan ko was, yun nga, Muting Heredera. Ako si Joyce Ching. Pero it didn't, what do you call this? Hindi siya, parang pasok Kasi I think Joyce was young that time Bata pa talaga siya. Parang early teens pa siya noon So, ito yung biglang, teka lang, kaya hindi ako makapag-ahit. Kasi I really need, not naman look old, but I need to look the part. More mature na. Kasi nga, 18 sila. So, mostly kontrabida, kaya I'm itching for something different after this.
Ano kayang different?
Oo nga.
Hindi
Meron
ko
ka
alam
bang
eh.
pinipeg?
Baka ano,
Husband lover.
no, why not? No, hindi, pero,
Natry mo na ba? Gay role?
yeah,
Ah,
when I was,
Like serious gay role? Hindi joke?
Hindi, loud eh.
Ah,
Loud.
hindi comedy.
Yeah, first ever nakakissing scene ko with Joel Torre.
Ah, really?
Ano yan, movie?
Anong movie
Hindi,
yan?
parang,
Series?
yeah, ito sa series. Hindi soap para sa yung iba-ibang episode. GMA, hindi true stories. Ano ba to? Early 2000. Yeah,
As in, totoo, may daya yun? Kailangan totoo.
Eh, may daya.
Ah, may
syempre.
daya.
Nag-touch yun.
Excite talaga.
Parang na-excite ka.
That was my first and only
Ah, really?
kissing scene.
So gusto mong, are you willing to do something bolder?
Yeah, no, like
hindi
I
naman.
said before, it's a job. It's a job and it's a profession eh. So whatever is parang I'm called to do. Pero siyempre, you get to scrutinize it. Kung baga, ano mo kung tama ba to, kailangan ba to sa show. Other than that, it's a job.
Na-try mo na ba mag-indie?
No, not yet.
Ano yan?
talaga?
Ikaw ba yan? Open ka ba?
Oo. No, kasi when my brother, si Sid Lucero, when he started show business, he did Donsol eh. Yung first ever indie niya. So medyo sabi ko, bakit ganoon siya kagad naka-indie niya? Yun ang problema namin ni Jeff. Like, we're too mainstream, we're too, what do you call this? Clean. Clean. Pero sabi ko nga, unless there's an opportunity or a really good project.
Yeah.
Open ako. I've been itching to do indie. Tagal na. Like, actually kami ni Jeff.
Wala pa bang ano? Wala pa bang...
Meron, may mga
Pero
offers.
hindi mo lang na-
Pero hindi naman sa namimili pa ako, no? But, syempre, andun yung if I do my first, I want something really nice, really.
Tama din.
Kasi I wanna explore, I wanna do movies also.
Saka gabi.
I hardly do movies, puro TV. That's why it goes to, parang mainstream nga eh, like puro soap. Kaya ayoko naman na maging mas stuck ka sa soap opera actor. That's why when I started show business,
Sayang ang talento.
kaya nga nag-ano ako yung I tried different paths. Kumbaga, I started hosting, singing. My first ever award was in singing pa, hindi pa acting. So, nabigyan akong pagkakataon to do Munting Heredera. And, you know, the rest was history. Heredera started it all. A really good project. And really good character na binigay. So doon nag-start. So now, movie. I want. May chance.
Kayo, angkan kayo ng mga artista, diba? Sinong pinaka-idol mo sa lahat ng mga...
Lahat!
Ano siya?
Lahat!
Ay, mamili.
Safe talaga. Oo, no, iba-iba naman yan eh. Like, my dad has his own. Tito Mike, Tito Cherie. Well, sa generation namin kasi, like, si Jeff and si Sid. Si Sid kasi, the good thing about him, like, from indie, nakapag-mainstream siya eh. Nag-leading man, diba? Si Jeff naman, leading man. Kami na Ryan yung character eh. Character actor. Like, with Andy naman, leading lady. Iba-iba eh. Pero if kunyari magsasama-sama kami sa isang kunyari get together, when we talk about show business, which we hardly do kasi diba, lagi kami nagtitaping, pag-uusapan pa ba namin showbiz. So, pag may chance na pag-uusapan, minsan nandun yung like, kasi I sing. Like kami ni Sid, dahil mo awards sa acting, palit tayo. Sabi, nga, ako naman gusto kong kumanta. May mga ganon ko, kumbaga change of kumbaga if given a chance. Tapos, frustrated ako eh. Yung may mga ganon kunyari, lagi akong kontrabida. Pero ang saya, gusto kong mag-try maging leading man. Ikaw, Jeff, may mga ganon. Kami ni Ryan. Actually, mas, we're enjoying being a villain. Kami ni Ryan. Si Jeff naman, frustration niya is to portray a bad guy. May mga ganun din. Kaya iba-iba. Kaya kung tatanungin mo ko sinong nahangaan ko, lahat.
Safe pa rin.
Safe, di ba? Lahat.
Na-mention mo si Jeff, how is he?
He's okay.
Kailan siya
No,
babalik?
ito. Ayokong i-preempt, but you'll be surprised.
Really?
Wow.
You'll be
Six-pack?
surprised. Six-pack. Kahit 4 muna. No, but,
Seryoso yan, ha?
No, kasi it came to a point na while I was doing this, I was offered to do Prinsesa ng Masa.
Okay.
Chris.
Yeah, and I was supposed to be the brother of Aljur. But then, turn of events na na-extend ito, hindi na ako naisali doon sa Prinsesa. So I started working out. Nakakaya kasi kapatid si Aljur, di ba? So, siyempre kailangan I have to be the part na kuya, na kailangan maganda rin ang katawan. So I started working out hanggat sa inaya ko si Jeff. So siya, yun nga, alam naman natin yung what happened to Jeff. Medyo lumaki siya. Nainganyo. Kumbaga, tapos yung sinabi na na-extend ito, so hindi natuloy yung Prinsesa. Okay lang, sabi ko okay lang siya, hindi naman ako papabayaan ng GMA. Pinuloy ko pa rin, workout kami, sabay kami ni Jeff. Hanggat sa dumating sa point na, dahil nagkakabol na kami, dahil matatapos na eh. So tinuloy na niya yung pag-gym, hindi na nga niya ako hinayaya. So, that's why nga, you'll be surprised.
Make sure na ba na nagsama-sama kayo? Na in one show o kahit
Well,
Or may
yung
plans.
generational daddy ko sila, meron eh. Pero kami, there was one guesting sa Magpakailanman. Ako, si Ryan, tsaka si AJ, kapatid ni Ryan. Sa Magpakailanman yung life story ng Dyson K9, yung rap group na Itsumo. So we did their life story. Tapos ano na, hindi na kami nakapagsama sa isang show, which is... sige. Sakay Kiron. Ako, sakay Kiron, pa-drive ko na lang. Ingatan niyo, thank you. So, yeah, hindi pa kami nagsasama sa isang. Si Jeff at si Sid, si Timmy, nagsama na sa Legacy. Tapos si Sherry din, nandun sa Legacy. So, yung isa sa dream. Kasi when our parents, they did a song together, yung Cebu, sa Langit at Isayan. Sila, Tita Jane, Tita Gina, kasama sa isang show. Dream namin naman yun, ng generation namin, to be in one show. It came to a point, we were like this close because most of the family na nandito na si GMA.
Kanina po kukunin yung susi.
Kay Kiron stylist. Okay. Kay Kiron, take yun. Tapos, ano ba? So yun, dream namin talaga ang project. Sama-sama kami sa isang show. Yun nga, si Tito Mike, my dad, di ba Tito Mike was doing Indio, daddy ko was doing Pahiram na Sandali. Tita Sherry was, well, she did Legacy. Tapos si Jeff, si Ryan, ako, yung one station. Si Andy lang wala. So, fingers crossed, the time when everybody was here in one station. We were hoping to have a concept na of doing a soap na kakasama ko. Siyempre, yun nga, another turn of event.
Nag-isip ka na ng title.
Pamilya. Ito series back in ABS. Tapos, yun nga. So, sayang. Pero sabi ko, opportunity will, another door will open.
Movie na lang.
Well,
Mas
yeah.
maganda kong series eh, kasi yun yung parang ano nila eh.
Oo, pero feeling ko,
Hard days.
Clash.
The Eigen Man.
Keeping up with
The Kardashians.
Diba? But the good thing is, the movie is possible. Kasi si Tita Sherry came up with her own production, which is yung Mom, My Own Man. Yung first movie niya was Sonata. So under her production yun. So I think naka-line up doon, trying to gather the whole family.
Wow.
I think alam ko kasi na pag napag-usapan na namin, yung mga one whole family to be in one project. Isang gandang movie. Eh, like my grandparents are here. Kakauwi lang ng lolo ko yesterday. My grandmother was here last week pa. So,
States mo sila?
oh, based na sila sa States. But now they're here. So,
Paano,
that would be
are
something.
they working out with the script na?
I think, sana, meron. Sana. Well, planning stage pa lang naman. Pero alam ko may mga concept. Sana matuloy.
Any more questions?
Theater.
May paano ka bang mag-retire? Or anong age?
Retire.
Wait lang, hindi pa
Masyado bang
Wait
bata?
pa. Oo, marami
Pero,
pa akong gustong gawin.
Pag naiisip mo,
You know what, before, because ginagawa ko naman lahat ng, for me, like, yung best ko eh. Tapos, for the longest, I've been in the business for like 17 years na eh. I was only given an opportunity na mabigyan ng parangal. Yun nga yung best supporting actor. Sabi ko, ay, ganito palang feeling ko to win a first award. Parang I don't wanna retire na, yung ganon. Kasi noon parang hindi naman ako nag-grow. Ganon ang feeling ko eh. Parang feeling ko hanggang 30 na lang ako, yung ganon. So ipon-ipon. Pero yun nga, when I was given an opportunity, sabi ay, parang you're hungry for more. Kasi sa sistema mo na eh, sa dugo mo talaga eh. Tagal ayoko. Yun nga, it's a profession. This is the only thing that I do. This is the only thing I think I'm good at. Other than that, yun nga, like, syempre, you won't be naman in the business forever. So, at the end of the day, if you're you live a life as an ordinary person, yun nga, ngayon pa lang, habang kumikita ka, venture into business, like yun nga, nag-open kami ng spa, relax pa.
Solo mo?
Hindi, marami kami si Jeff, Rochelle, Arthur, LJ Reyes, manager namin si Perry. So, planning also. Pero at the end of the day, hanggat may television at may sinihan, hanggat gusto ka ng tao, hanggat na-entertain mo sila, I'll stay dito.
Mga siguro mga age ni Kuya Jer.
100 years? Why not? Sila, di ba? Sila ka, di ba? Ilan years? 50, di ba?
50 years sa showbiz.
Oo, kung hindi yung why not, di ba? That's why nga, you strive to be good, to do better. That's why you're hungry for that's why lahat naman, paying back to everyone naman. Kunwari, if a show's ending, gutom ka na kung anong next day. Hindi dahil sa kailangan mo kumita eh. It's that urge to showcase what you think you can do pa, kumbaga, in a certain project.
Was there a point na parang nabakante ka na matagal, namuntik ka
Yeah.
kakot?
You know, the last soap I did before Munting Heredera was Darna. Ni Marian.
Long time ago.
Darna ni Marian.
Siya kayong Marimar.
I waited for like 3-4 months. Tagal. So sabi ko, teka lang, parang I feel like, I'm not needed. It's a testimony. I was offered to do a soap opera sa Indonesia. They wanted me to study their language for 3 months and stay in Indonesia for 2 years. The only time I can come back, 2 weeks lang pwede kong kainin dun sa 2 years na yon. So sabi ko, I have a family. I don't want to leave my family. So sabi ko, pag-iisipan ko, maganda yung offer. So sabi ko, hindi ko kakayanin iwan ng family ko. So sabi ko, I prayed so hard. Sabi ko, I just wanted to know, show me a sign kung should I accept this. Kasi kung tinanggap ko yan, I'm good for the next 5 to 7 years eh. Of, yung normal, yung okay ka, buhay ka. Sabi ko, bahala na. So, came Munting Heredera.
Yun yung sign.
Tumagal ng 9 months. Tapos, hindi pa tapos Munting Heredera. May Broken Vow. Na isa rin magandang project, magandang role na ibinigay sa akin. Nanalo pa. Tapos na-nominate pa sa Asian TV. Sabi ko, what more can I ask for? Kung tinanggap ko yon, tagal akong mawawala sa Pilipinas. Pero international actor ka, di ba? Pero still, yun nga, nabigyan ako ng ang dami. Tapos after Broken Vow, pahinga lang ako ng ilang linggo. Sana ikaw na nga. After Sana Ikaw na-extend din. Pahinga lang ng mga ilang linggo din. Ito na. Parang sabi ko nga, I feel blessed. Sabi ko, why retire? If you feel like, lalo na now na ayokong sabihin na importante, pero yung feeling na we appreciate what you do. And the loyalty's been there. Ito yung naisusukli. That's why lalo kong naiinganyo. Ano ang next? Because I wanna showcase more. I wanna do something na...
New York yun, di ba? New York Award.
Ha?
New York ba yun?
No, Singapore.
Singapore.
Asian TV.
Asian TV Awards.
Sa Singapore. Kaya sunod-sunod. So, natuwa naman ako. Happy, blessed.
Invite na lang.